Hey everybody, Callan here. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you a little tool that we can use to analyze a little bit of advertising. One of the tools that we're going to use, is probably the easiest tool that you can get into, is going to be Facebook's ad library. So first thing we need to do is we need to go to someone. We go to the business page. Doesn't work on groups, doesn't work on personal pages. You have to have a business page with a business account in order to run ads. So we're looking for the business page. And if you scroll down, you'll see a section called Page and Transparency. Click See More, and you're going to bring up a window that's going to show you the page history, if it's had name changes, where it's managed from, if the page runs any social, political ads, anything like that. There's all kinds of stuff in there too. You want to see more about the specific, pieces and organizations, who the owner is, all that stuff. You can all do that here, but we're interested in ads. So ads from this page. This page is currently running ads. Click Go to Ad Library. And it's going to pop open a list of advertising. Now we can narrow this down a little bit if we only want to see the active ads. Active ads are what's going to show up here. We can all that have had impressions, only that have had impressions in the last day. We can go to the last 90 days, whichever. For a little simplicity here, let's just look at the stuff over the last day. And you can also narrow it down to just Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, all of the places that you can send an advertisement where there are, and they're showing you the placements up here at the top, where they're being served to. They're going to show you the runtime. This particular ad started January 2nd, 2020. So these are new ads, probably refreshed ads, but you get to have a look at the ad copy, which is great if you're trying to figure out what kind of copy that you'd like, right? So let's go with this one here in the middle. That's pointing at network marketing secrets. Build a network marketing business online. Talk to people who are super interested in the product. So there's a little copy up here at the top. We can see the ad details, and it's going to tell us about the page. It's going to show us the full ad, and then we can learn more just as if we were subscribing to the ad. Now we get to come in here. We get to see the funnel that it's sending us to, or the landing page, or the website, or whatever happens to be used. So we get the full connection between the marketing message, between the advertising and the marketing message in the funnel. This is sending it to a free book plus shipping offer. So we've got Russell introducing the video. We've got the 2-step order form. We've got how to use sales funnel to grow your network marketing team. There's the hook. So kind of the pain point. So you only have to talk to people who are so super interested in what you're selling that they actually raise their hands and ask to sign up with them. So there's speaking to a solution to a pain that network marketers would experience. And then here's everything you're going to get. You're going to get the 3 funnels. Go get your free book. And then we're going to basically, this is like not convinced. Here's a little bit more. Another call to action. Not convinced. Here's a little bit more. Another call to action. Another call to action. Here's some more. Another call to action. Social proof. Nope, not social proof. But here's the guarantee. If that didn't do it, here's my guarantee. Boom. Another call to action. So you can see there's a congruency here between the advertising and that. But more importantly, we get to look into and model all of the information that's coming out here for us. So I'll let you guys play with that and do with that what you will.